Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be showing you how to get rid of cough, sore throat, fever, running nose. Name them guys, natural remedy. Yes, in here I have my Lipton, I have honey, I have ginger, and I have lime with water. Yes, without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. So guys, I will be cutting this lime, yes, and ginger. I will be cutting it into 4 places. Yes, too much time guys. Let's start to now I will be cutting. I've washed it already. Yes, I washed it. That's it. Look at it. Without wasting much time, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Look at it. I have 4 lines, guys. 4 lines. Four, 5 guys. I'll be using now. I'm going to add water. Yes guys, I'll be using 1 bottle of water. Yes, 0.75 liter, because we are going to be cooking it at least 10 or 20 minutes. Yes, so let's add water. So guys, I have cooked this for some minutes. Yes, let's see the color. Guys, do you see the color? Yeah, now it's ready. How do you know that it's ready? You can see the color have changed. I've cooked this thing at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's save it. Let's save it, guys. So I have my save here. Look at this. So this is the chaff, guys. This is the chaff. Yes, I'm going to be adding honey. This is the honey, and I will add 4 to 5 spoons. Yeah. So this is the honey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. stir. Allow them to combine. Let them marry themselves. Yes. Yeah. So guys, you'll be taking this morning, afternoon, night, one cup. Yes, morning 1 cup, afternoon 1 cup, night. If you are having fever, blocked nose, guys, name them. This is natural remedy for cough, sore throat, runny nose. Name them, guys. So take 1 cup in the morning, afternoon, and night. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I will see you on my next video, guys. Please, if you find the video interesting, share and like. The combination of this boiled ginger, lemon, yellow Lipton and honey has many benefits. Like ginger fights off infections, relieve headache, cold and flu. While ginger helps speed up the digestion process and empty your stomach more quickly. Lives are highly in vitamin C and antioxidants, while honey helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. And yellow Lipton help in stomach upset and also in weight loss. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, please go ahead, share, like. To my returnee, thank you for always coming back. Thank you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you and remember.